Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Defining Data Ownership and Stewardship in GenAI. Data ownership and stewardship are critical concepts in the realm of data governance, particularly when applied to generative artificial intelligence systems. These concepts serve as foundational pillars for ensuring ethical and effective management of data that fuels AI technologies. In the context of GenAI, data ownership refers to the legal rights and control over data, whereas data stewardship encompasses the responsibilities associated with managing, protecting, and ensuring the ethical use of data. The emergence of GenAI, which includes technologies capable of creating new content such as text, images, and sounds, has intensified the need to clearly define these roles and responsibilities to navigate the complex ethical, legal, and operational challenges that arise. Data ownership is crucial because it delineates who has the authority to access, modify, and benefit from data. In GenAI systems, data ownership becomes particularly complex due to the nature of the data involved. These systems often rely on vast datasets collected from diverse sources, including proprietary databases, public data, and user-generated content. Determining ownership of such heterogeneous data can be challenging, as it may include both personal and non-personal information, each subject to different legal protections. For instance, personal data is governed by privacy laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, which grants individuals ownership rights over their personal information. These rights include the ability to access, rectify, and erase personal data, imposing obligations on those who collect and use such data, including GenAI developers. Beyond legal considerations, the ethical dimensions of data ownership in GenAI must also be addressed. Since these systems can generate new content based on the data they are trained on, questions arise about who owns the output. For example, if a GenAI model trained on a dataset produces a novel piece of art or a new product design, determining the rightful owner of this creation can be contentious. The output may bear similarities to the input data, raising concerns about potential infringement of intellectual property rights. This underscores the need for clear policies and frameworks that address ownership issues in the context of GenAI-generated content, ensuring that both the creators of the input data and the developers of the AI systems are fairly recognized and rewarded for their contributions. Data stewardship, on the other hand, refers to the practices and responsibilities of managing data assets effectively and ethically. In GenAI systems, data stewardship involves ensuring the quality, security, and privacy of the data used to train and operate these systems. This includes implementing robust data management practices such as data cleaning, validation, and documentation to maintain the integrity and reliability of the datasets. Moreover, data stewards must ensure compliance with relevant data protection regulations and ethical standards, safeguarding against unauthorized access, misuse, or loss of data. An essential aspect of data stewardship in GenAI is addressing the biases that may be present in the training data. Since GenAI models learn patterns from the data they are exposed to, any biases inherent in the data can be perpetuated or even amplified in the AI-generated output. This can lead to unintended consequences, such as reinforcing stereotypes or discrimination against certain groups. Data stewards must therefore implement strategies to identify and mitigate biases, such as using diverse and representative datasets, employing bias detection tools, and continuously monitoring and evaluating the performance of GenAI systems. Furthermore, data stewardship in GenAI involves fostering transparency and accountability. Stakeholders, including users, regulators, and the general public, must have a clear understanding of how data is being used in GenAI systems and the implications of these uses. Transparency can be achieved through clear communication and documentation of data sources, processing methods, and decision-making processes within the AI systems. Accountability mechanisms, such as audits and impact assessments, can help ensure that data stewards are held responsible for the ethical and lawful management of data. Effective data stewardship also requires collaboration and coordination among various stakeholders. In GenAI systems, data is often sourced from multiple entities, including individuals, organizations, and governments, each with its own interests and perspectives. Building partnerships and fostering open communication among these stakeholders can facilitate the sharing of best practices, resources, and expertise, ultimately enhancing the quality and ethical use of data in GenAI systems. Collaborative efforts can also help address cross-border data governance challenges, as data used in GenAI systems may originate from different jurisdictions with varying legal and regulatory requirements. In conclusion, defining data ownership and stewardship in GenAI is imperative for ensuring the ethical and effective use of data in these advanced technologies. Clear ownership rights and responsibilities provide a legal and ethical foundation for managing data, while robust stewardship practices ensure the quality, security, and fairness of data-driven AI systems. As GenAI continues to evolve and become more integrated into various sectors, ongoing efforts to refine and implement data governance frameworks will be essential. These efforts must address the complex legal, ethical, and operational challenges posed by GenAI, fostering trust and accountability among stakeholders, and ultimately contributing to the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.